Hi guys, what's up? It's JT from JohnTatterSold.com and welcome to my Affiliate Pro Formula review. Now here I am just quickly in the members area, and I'm going to walk you through this in a bit more detail later on in this review video, and also take you through the software that's involved with this particular product as well. Affiliate Pro Formula is a training and software product that allows you to monetize Facebook groups so that you can potentially make up to $100 per day. The software enables you to edit and repurpose videos, giving you unique content to post on Facebook. It's a very clever system put together by Izzy Vargas and supported by two of the biggest names in online marketing out there, Guy Potok and Dan Ashendorf. The sheer brain power, experience and affiliate marketing knowledge packed into Affiliate Pro Formula has the potential to supercharge your online earnings, but only if you follow the training and put it into practice. Otherwise, you'll have invested in yet another product that is going to just take up space on your hard drive. Now, Affiliate Pro Formula launches at 10 AM EST on Tuesday 5th of June. And in this review video, I'm going to take you through the Affiliate Pro Formula members area, the software, and then in the upsells. And then I'm going to share with you my honest view as to whether you should bother with this at all, and if it will deliver to the promises made. Now, this product is completely Facebook specific, but the scope and the potential is almost unlimited. Now, listen up. I've also got 4 value-added bonuses of my own to give you, which are yours for free and to keep. These have been carefully put together by me to make the most out of Affiliate Pro Formula, to complement the training, and it gives you additional tools and information to help you make money more quickly and also to scale up your online business. These handpicked bonuses are completely free and yours to keep if you click below through my link in the description of this YouTube video. When you click on the link below, it'll take you straight through to my bonus page, which looks like this. I'm really sorry, I've got a bird twittering in the background here, so if it comes through on the recording, I'm apologising in advance. So here I am on the bonus page. The first thing I want to bring to your attention is that these bonuses that I've got on here come down at 11:59 PM EST on Friday, June the 18th. So if you want to pick this up via my link, then you're going to need to move fairly quickly on it. So, what is Affiliate Pro Formula? It's a super simple trick which turns free traffic into 4 figures daily. So it's the easiest way to use free traffic to generate passive daily commissions, and you don't need to buy ads, you don't need to learn complicated software, and you don't need to create any of your own products. It's a new method. It's simple twists to unlock the best targeted traffic for you, completely free. Everything's contained within the program. It's tested and proven, and it works in multiple niches, and it's easy and it's fast to set up. So I just quickly want to go through the upsells and the prices. So the front end of this is $14.95, and then there's the Video Profits Club Unlimited Edition at $9.95. Then you've got further upsells which I'll go through one by one. So the front end is $9.95. This removes all the limitations on Video Profits Club software, and it comes with the full power of exclusive software for a one-time only fee. Upsell number 1, which is APF Gold at $27. This is where they reveal additional methods for you to be able to double your profits. You get over-the-shoulder video training, advanced tips and tricks, and list building methods that have never been revealed before. Upsell number 2 at $47. This is where you can get the best high converting campaigns, which you can copy and paste. You get evergreen done for you campaigns, review video and bonuses to give away included. You got best follow-up sequences, step-by-step training, push button monetization, and access to world-class support. Upsell number 3 at $97. This is a flood of autopilot traffic. You get website sales pages, tons of traffic on a daily basis. Get access to this traffic via their rotating system, and they send traffic and you collect the leads and make money. Upsell number 3, Bump, which is traffic at unlimited traffic at $197. You get unlimited traffic by placing your Facebook or your Google Pixel on all of their pages to get a huge retargeted audience and take advantage of laser targeted traffic. Upsell number 4, which is a reseller license at $77. This is where you can sell Affiliate Pro Formula as if it were your own. Upsell number 5, Profit Blast Off. This is where you get a done for you system. You can get on a live call with one of the team members so they can do all the hard work for you. And then upsell number 6, quite a lot of upsells with this, is the VIP bundle at $29. You get some of their best-selling digital products with a one-time low-cost opportunity, and then there's a list of all the various products that you can potentially get access to. Some other benefits, just to summarise: 100% beginner friendly, fully tested and proven, 99% automated. You've got stacks of proof in here, and you could potentially develop a 4 to 5 figure monthly income from this potential product. So I quickly want to go through my 4 bonuses. The first one is, if you want to be successful online, you're going to need to have your own website to drive traffic, particularly if you want to drive organic traffic. So this first one is a full-blown, top-of-the-range website building course by one of the top affiliates on the line at the moment. And this is an end-to-end website building program, but not just any old website building program. This gives you a very fast website that will make sure that you're almost guaranteed to be on page number 1 of Google. Bonus number 2 gives you the opportunity to utilize a program that will develop banners for you, so you can add more oomph and impact to all of your pages by putting banners on there. Bonus number 3 is social media domination with Affiliate Pro Formula, which allows you to learn how to use other elements of social media other than Facebook to be able to drive additional profits. And then bonus number 4 is a traffic marketing secret course, which enables you to generate organic and paid traffic to be able to scale up your business. And then you've got the vendors bonuses, which I'll go through when I go through the sales page. So presuming you've got a Warrior Plus account, but if you've not, it's fairly easy to sign up. You just go to warriorplus.com, and obviously if you purchase this through my link, you'll be able to then access your purchase here by this green button within your Warrior Plus account. And in order to pick up any of these 4 bonuses that I've just gone through here, by clicking on any of these yellow buttons, you will be able to access the sales page. And then when you get to Warrior Plus, by clicking on this blue button here, this will enable you then to pick up the 4 bonuses that I've indicated above. So I'm quickly now just going to revert back and take you through the sales page, and then I'll quickly take you through the members area. Right, so here I am on the sales page. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this because obviously if you clicked on one of my links and it's brought you through to this page, then you can spend as much time as you want just absorbing all the information on here. These sales pages are actually packed with information, some proof of evidence of earnings there. If I scroll a bit further down, the brains behind this is Isidro Vargas, aka Izzy. He's the person that's pulled this together, and obviously he's got support of a couple of big 6-figure marketers. More evidence of income, some bullet points there. These are that's where I wanted to get to. The bonuses that are coming from the vendors on this one. First one is done for your landing pages, where you can grow your income faster and scale bigger with battle-tested landing pages, and these are proven converters. They work perfectly with this free traffic source within this particular product as well. And then bonus number 2, top converting email templates. So you get power of push button profits with these templates and turn your emails into sales machines. So those are the 2 big bonuses that go from the vendors to support this. You've then got a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's no real risk with this. Some testimonials there, some more facts, and then obviously you've got the 3 big players. So you've got Izzy, who's the brains behind this, Guy Potok, who's the guy driving the launch, and then Dan Ashendorf in the background, who's probably the more famous of those 3 online marketers. So that's a quick run through the sales page. I'll now move into the members area and give you a run through that. So here we are in the members area. I just quickly want to give you a bit of a run through this. So these 4 buttons here. First one is there's a potential 27k bonus gift here within 90 days. It's a PDF just if you join the Skype Mastermind group, which you can claim the gift then. You've got the opportunity to join Dan's Q&A Facebook group and then registering for the free training. You've got a video Profits Club introductory video here. and then you've got the training modules themselves. So the training modules a bit different than normal. Normally they're just buttons down the left hand side, but these are images that you click to access the training. You've got the case study here, introduction to Izzy, who does the most of the training. Then got the overview, how to set up your group, how to pin posts, group descriptions, group settings, how to drive traffic to the group, how to get software to run things on autopilot, viral content, how to outsource things, and then Facebook Live. And then you've got the opportunity to potentially upgrade if you want to take advantage of the upgrades through here at a later date if you've not done that with the initial purchase. So that's a quick run through the training area itself. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on there, but you can see that this is, like I said, slightly different than the normal format, but each of those training videos takes you through the bulk of the training. I'll now just give you a feel for the actual software which underpins all of this. So I'm just going to quickly switch screens. So here I am in the software area here. I can't really go into a great deal of detail without exposing what's already contained within here, and obviously I don't want to be giving any secrets away to people that have not actually purchased or are not intending to purchase this. But the software is pretty straightforward. You've just only got 3 buttons down here on the left hand side. We're in number 1, which is the dashboard. So within the dashboard you get a record of any videos that you've done within the week, how many videos you've downloaded, how many videos you've actually rendered, and then the total of all the videos, a record of all the videos that you've done. And then you have a timeline of various downloads and renders that sits below that. And obviously you can track graphically over time how many videos you've done in the last 7 days. And these are the breaking down day by day in terms of the length of time of the videos here. I think it is on the left hand side. More trend information. So there's quite a bit of information there that is stacked up ready for you to refer to once you've recorded. And then basically all you do in order to be able to bring a video up is you enter the video that you want to potentially load up into the URL box here, click it and find a video. So that could be a YouTube video, for example, and then you've got potentially the opportunity to edit that. You can do other things with it as well in terms of listing the video. And then you've got that's it really. Your video goes there, it comes up in screen. You're then able to do various things with the video, edit it, add backgrounds to it, add captions to it, and then you could potentially then send that through and upload it into Facebook. So that's just a quick feel for the software. Like I say, I don't really want to go into too much information because there's already some information in here, and I don't want to give away any information that's personal to other people. So I'm now just going to summarize this and give you my thoughts on it. Okay then, so this brings me to the end of my review of Affiliate Pro Formula. Now I did say that I would summarize the pros and the cons. Affiliate Pro Formula is a unique training and software product tailored specifically for Facebook. It is well structured, it's easy to follow, and the steps and advice follow a logical progression. And I know I'm beginning to sound a bit like a broken record, but like any other system, this will only ever work if you take massive action. Even with just a front end at $14.95, you will be able to stand on the shoulders of these 3 giants and start to make those crucial first sales. The pros include the following: the training is thorough, the tuition is clear and over the shoulder. Izzy, Guy and Dan have a good track record and success credentials and enable you to achieve success with this online marketing malarkey. There are no glaringly obvious cons aside from including the fact that there's probably a lot of information in here that you'll need to get your head around. Also, most, if not all, of the information contained in Affiliate Pro Formula training is out there in some other similar products, if you look hard enough. But the included software makes this product really stand out. Now, I'm an experienced internet marketer, but I've changed the way that I approach my Facebook marketing approach as a result of this training included in here. So there we have it. Go ahead and check out my bonuses, and feel free to return to my bonuses once you've checked out what the other Affiliate Pro Formula reviewers are offering in terms of their bonuses. I hope that you found this review of Affiliate Pro Formula helpful, and that I've helped you make an informed decision on whether to invest in Affiliate Pro Formula or not. So if you decide to purchase it, then please pick it up via my link down below. Please do not forget to like my video and hit the subscribe button if you want to see my future reviews. Hitting the bell will also notify you when I release the next one. All it leaves me to say is thank you for sticking with me to the end of this video, and I wish you every success with building your list and scaling from there. Stay safe, and I'll see you again on the next one.